Hi guys, need to show you this project how they extend the concrete parking lot like 10 foot this way, and they pour new concrete driveway. They did joint, socket joint. You can see socket joint next day in the morning, each 10 foot. And then at that time when they pour concrete, they put dowels. They put dowels here, like 1-inch dowel, and then reinforced mat, one mat number 4 1/2 inch, and then they put the chamfer, and after that they pour concrete. You can see here. They are using the plywood with metal, forms support good. They just pour the concrete in the morning. They are waiting to the end of the day, then they will remove the forms. Okay guys, so you can see here using a plywood over there. That's what they are used, the metal forms. Okay, so they extend that parking lot. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work.